Back again to yet another special video from me, Treadmill. I always like to share knowledge with you guys so you guys can also learn and make money too. Okay, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys this easy and reliable and powerful strategy you can use in catching multiple spikes and boom and crash. Okay, this works for both boom and crash, guys. So I'll just like you to watch this video to the end so you can understand and use this strategy on your trades so you can make money for yourself. So first of all, guys, before we start, like the usual, I'd like you to like the video, share the video, subscribe, turn on your notification so you always get videos whenever I drop them online. Okay, guys. So if you can also check on the description page, you'll see a link to my Telegram group. This is a free Telegram group in which I drop free signals. Or if you want to join the VIP group, which I drop 3 to 4 signals a day, some winning signals that you use in making a whole lot of money for yourself. Also check on the description page, you'll see a link to my WhatsApp, and you click on the link to my WhatsApp, you talk to me directly, and we talk about how we going to move forward and make money for ourselves. And don't forget to also talk to me about the probably if you want someone to manage your account, someone who can manage your account and make profitable trades for you so you can be cashing out, making good money for yourself. We run account management, we run mentorship, teach you, guide you through the basics, and teach you how you can probably make a whole lot of money from forex, because we all came to forex to make money, like I always say. So let's get back to business, guys. So like I said, this is a spike catching strategy. So this on this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how you going to catch spikes. It's a very easy strategy, but it's very powerful and it's very reliable. So use it on your trade, and I promise you gonna make some money for yourself. So guys, before we start, the indicators we are going to be needing for this video will be on the main chart. We'll be needing 2 moving average, and on our indicator window we'll be needing the relative strength index and the MACD. So on the main chart, the first moving average, here it's period 15, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, styles is 3 pixel, okay, and I'm using brown color. And after that, it's done. Then you go back to your indicator window again, click on your second moving average, you add your second moving average, the period will be 46, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles will be 3 pixel and color black. Done. You go back to your indicator window again. The indicator window is the F symbol you've seen here. So when you click on the F symbol, you are on your indicator windows. So the third indicator we're going to be adding here will be on our indicator window 1, which is the relative strength index. Okay, so you add the relative strength index. The period here is 16, apply to close, style is 4 pixel. Okay, the levels here is 90, 80, 50, 20, and 10. Okay, the level 10 here it's our buy level. Okay, and the level 15 here is our TP level. Just write the TP1. Okay, it's done. So when you go back to your indicator, the last indicator we'll be needing for the video for this strategy will be the MACD. Okay, on the MACD, the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. Mine is 1 pixel. White, use the color. Why I'm using white is you have to use the color of your chart background. So if you're using a white background, make sure you use white. If you're using a black background, make sure you use black. So use the color of your background. So the color I'm using is white, and on the signal it's 2 pixel. I'm going to be using red. Okay guys, so okay, so when that is done, the first thing you want to do is, okay, you wait for the trade to get down to the level 10. Like I always say, if you want to make money in forex, you have to be patient. Okay, you don't just make wrong entries. If you make wrong entries, you make wrong trades and you lose money. So you have to be patient. You have to have a good timing, a good entry. That's why I always talk about price action, that you have to learn how to um, you have to learn trade and price action. Like I always said, I will run mentorship and we can guide you guys through this if you don't really understand what we are trying to say. So just hit me up, let's talk. Hey guys, so what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is you wait for this red indicator you're seeing here to get to this level, okay, which is level 10. Okay, and when that happens, you wait for it to move up a bit across this line. This is our buy line here. So once the red indicator gets down to this level, you don't just place your trade at the moment. You have to wait for it to cross this that buy line, which is the level 20 you're seeing here. So once it crosses over the line like this, when it approaches the line, that is when you place your trade, you buy. Okay, and when you buy, you probably get some spikes here. Okay, in boom and crash, if you are buying in boom, how you actually going to be in profit is when the market spikes. That is boom. Okay, so if you are in crash, we are selling and it spikes and you make profit. So in boom now, so when you see the red indicator now getting down to this level 10 here, and you wait for it to cross this level 20, which is our buy level, and you place your trade. When you place your trade, you cash your spikes. Okay, show you guys another example. Okay, this is another example here. As you can see, the market got down to this level here. This is the red indicator here. It helps you tell you where to wait and where to place your trade and where to take your trade. So okay, you first of all you have to wait. When you see that red indicator getting down to the 10 level here, and you don't, like I said, you don't just rush in and start buying. You have to wait for it to get to this level 20, which is our buy level. So once it gets to this level here, our buy level, that's when you place your trade, you buy. And when you buy, you can see you have some spikes here. Okay, have some spike. So after getting the first spike, it all depends on what you want in the market, how much money you want to make. But if you just want to hold on to the trade, it's nice. And as you can see, when the first spike occurred, there was a retrace here, and it got down here, and there was a spike again. It was a retrace, and the spike keeps going and going on like that. So but we have a target. Our target here is the level 50, which is our TP here. Okay, so this is it. It's level 50 RTP here. So what you probably do is when you place your trade and you have the first spike, you can just leave the trade till it got to your TP, which is the level 50 here. Okay guys, let me explain this to you guys again. It's very easy. It's one of the easiest this is one of the easiest spike catching strategy that I've dropped here. because we have to share different strategies for different people because we all understand things differently. Okay, so that's why I have to bring this strategy here for you guys, so you can use it on your trade, because it's very easy and it's very simple, but it's very powerful. It works perfectly. I've been using this and it's working out perfectly. So here we go again. First thing you want to do is you wait for this red indicator to get to the 10 level. That's the first thing you have to do. You wait, and when it gets to this 10 level, you have to be patient enough for it to get over to the 20 level here, which is our buy level. So once you get to the 20 level here, that is when you place your trade. You buy, and when you buy, this is the spikes you have here. Okay, so like I said, when the spike happens, it all depends on how much you want to make from the trade. But if we were actually targeting this level 50, which is our TP level, you allow the trade, and you can see there was a retrace here, and there was still a spike here, a little bit retrace, and there was still a spike, and this is our 50 level. It was our TP. So it's very easy, guys. Very easy, guys. Just follow everything I did correctly. Don't make no mistakes. The indicators, put the settings the same way. Don't change anything, and I promise you, you are going to win big. You're going to make some good money for yourself. Okay, so I know you might be wondering why this moving average on our main chart. Okay, let me show you why we are using this moving average on our main chart. Let's show you the reason why. Okay, so what the moving average on our main chart will be guiding you to do is, as you can see, when you see the brown indicator like this, the brown moving average here crossing over this black moving average here, okay, and going up, it is trying to tell you that there will be series of spikes, not just one spike, series of spike. So you have to be very watchful when you're trading this strategy. You have to be very observant, because there will come a point where you have series of spikes. So what this moving average does is, when you see it crossing this black moving average like this, okay, when you place your trade, you don't just jump out from the trade immediately. Okay, you have to hold the trade for some time, because there will be series of spikes, as you can see here. When it crosses over this black indicator here, you can see there were series of spike here, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so after that, and you see it coming down to cross this black indicator, that's when you close your trade. Okay, close your trade at that level when you see it coming down again to cross the black indicator down. So you close your trade. But once you see it crossing the black indicator up like this, you place your trade and you hold on for some time, because there are probably going to be a series of spikes. That is the reason we are using this moving averages here, because it's actually going to tell you where to catch multiple spikes and when to also close out from the trade. I always like making my explanation over and over again, so you can get to understand, because the reason I put out this video was for you to watch, understand, use it on your own trade, and make money too. So I have to really explain this for you to really understand what I'm talking about, so you don't do no mistakes. I just want you to trade this perfectly and make money. Okay, so I'm going to go again for the last time, and watch very carefully. Please watch very carefully so you don't make mistakes. Okay, so I said, when all this is done, after setting your indicators and you want to start trading, the first thing you want to do is you wait. Okay, like I said, you wait. You don't just rush into the market. You wait. When you see this red indicator like this coming down to this level 10 here, when that happens, you still don't buy. Okay, you have to wait for it to move up to this level 20. The moment you see it crossing this level 20, Okay, let me just say, approaching this level 20 line, you make your trade as you buy, and when you buy, you probably have spikes here. These are the spikes here. And when the spike happens, like I said earlier, it depends on how much, it depends on your targets and how much you want to make. So after this first spike, you can probably close, okay? But if you still want to make more and you're targeting this level 50, which is our TP, what you just have to do is you leave the trade after the first spike. There's a retrace, another spike and another spike, and this is our TP, and that's how you make money and you close out from the trade. So guys, I hope you really like the video, okay, and I guess you understand, because the reason I'm doing this is for you to understand so you can use it and make money too. So if you don't really understand this, please check on the description page. You see my WhatsApp link. Click on the link, talk to me directly, and I can guide you and explain this more further so you can really understand what I'm talking about. So and if you want to join our free Telegram group, check on the description page. You see a link to the free Telegram group where I drop free signals for people to use and trade and make money for themselves. Or if you also want to join our VIP Telegram group is very powerful. It's very powerful. We drop 3 to 4 signals a day, profitable signals that you make a whole lot of money for yourself. People have been there, they've been giving testimonies, and they've been making a whole lot of money. So don't miss out on this. Just check on the description page. You see my WhatsApp link. Talk to me directly, and let's move further and make money too on Forex. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe, leave some sweet comments, turn on notification to always get videos whenever I drop them. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye, see you some other time.